How's it going, everybody? This is Orlando from Kleinn. Today we are installing an RS JK remote start in a 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Purpose of the video is just to go over the install from start to finish. This should literally take you, assuming everything goes as planned, less than 15 minutes. For a key start, you will need a working OEM key fob. In your kit, you're going to have what consists of the remote start module, as well as the plug-in T-harness for the vehicle. Now this kit here is the OEM remote version. In the event that you purchase one of these that has the extra, the long-range remote kit, you'll have a separate remote kit in your package, and your tip sheet will have the instructions on how to do the programming for that. It literally takes an extra 5 minutes of the install to complete that. So let's get started.